Every single thing that you've ever got yourself into, every situation you've been in, every event that took place, it happened because you made a decision for it to happen. Everything that you do in life is happening based on a decision that you've previously made. Because even if you decide to not make a decision, that's a decision too. You're just deciding to settle for more. Whereas if you would have made another decision, which was to go higher than you are right now, it would have been harder. But see, this is a thing. Remember this whenever you have to make a decision. Hard decisions are easier, and easier decisions are harder. Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean is, for example, let's say about your physique. If you want to build a healthy body and look all muscular, it's hard for you to decide to get up right now and go to the gym and eat healthy, because you might just love eating fast food and you know that's unhealthy. So it's hard for you staying away from that stuff. But the reason I'm saying hard is easy is because when you're making this hard decision, you're guaranteeing yourself that easy future. So it's gonna be hard for you doing this right now, but it's gonna be easy for your future because you're setting yourself up for what you want. So yeah, just remember that whenever you have to make a decision, and always think long term, because this is what it really means. It's when you're making decisions, there's things that are easy for now, hard for the future, things that are hard for the future but easy for now.